Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back again. Today we are going to continue. What did we cover in our previous session? We were talking about blending sounds. Today we are going to practice by reading some words that have blending sounds. Let's review what did we cover last time. Last time we talked about if we want to mix some fruits together, such as banana, apple, or pineapple too, I can mix them in two ways. Either by cutting them in a blade and make fruit salad, or mix them in the blender and get a new product. The letters, as we know, each letter has its own name and its own sound. And while we are reading according to their sounds, not their names. How about if I have two letters and I want to blend them in the blender? Yes. So, do you think I'm going to find the same two sounds for each one, or I'm going to get a new sound, a new product? Let's see. I have s, and h. Together, they give me a new sound. Shh, shh, shh. No, I'm not telling you to be quiet. It's the sound. Let's try to read. Crash, sh, crash. Flash, flash. Fish, fish. Shark, shark. How about if we try to blend another two sounds? T, t with h, h. Together, they are going to give me a new product, a new sound. Which sound do you think that we will get? Th, th, th. As you see, I have to put my tongue little bit out from my mouth, just a little bit. Th, th, th. This is going to help me to get the right sound by blending these two letters. Like I have earth, th, earth. We are living on the planet Earth. Teeth, teeth. I have to brush my teeth every day to keep them healthy. Oh, I said healthy, which has the same sound too. 13, 13. One day I will be 13 years old. Bathroom, bathroom. I take my shower in the bathroom. Here is another one. K, k, k. H, h, h. Let's blend them. I'm going to have a new product, a new sound. It's ch, ch, ch. As you see, there are some little bit airs going to be out of my mouth while I'm pronouncing this letter. Ch, ch, ch. Watch, watch. I have a new watch to know the time. Chair, chair. I'm sitting properly on my chair in the classroom. Chocolate, chocolate. I like dark chocolate. Check, check. The teacher checked for me my homework. And you know what? I got full mark. Now it's homework time. I want you to fill in the correct sound and read each word. As you see, each picture has its name under it with missing letters. The, sh, ch. So let's try to find which one of these three sounds would fit each word of them. Let's go. Fill in the correct sound, then try to read it. I'll be waiting for you. You have to send me the same worksheet after you finish it with your sound while you are reading them. Waiting for you.